welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox October's Orna box. As I have told in my previous video as well that I got my boxes a bit late because I was not in town. I was in Chandigarh. They were received by my neighbors, so yeah, so here I'm unboxing the Orna boxes from the month of October. So let's just open it. So here I have two of their boxes. One is green, one is blue. Green one is the cheaper one, the blue one is the expensive one. So nicely bubble wrapped. So first I'm just gonna open the green one and show you guys what jewelry I got in this time's box. So this is how the box looks like, nice and green. So let's just open it. All right, I can see again nicely bubble wrapped all the product, all the jewelry. So I'm just gonna open it, and this is how the jewelry looks like. Alright, so the very first pair is this really nice green and golden colored earrings, and these look beautiful, literally beautiful. So this is how they look like, and they are so beautiful. I really love the emerald green it has. It's really pretty. Alright, so next is again earrings, and these are also very pretty. So this is how they look like. Oh my god, these are so good. These are gold earrings and they are just so beautiful. Love them. I really love them. I think all of the jewelry pieces are earrings this time. So yeah, the next jewelry piece is this one. Again, very pretty unique kind of piece it is. It's black in color with some crystallized stone here. All right, so now let's just move on to another pair of earrings. Oh, it's broken. I'm not gonna wear it because it's broken. This stone just came out of it. So this was the pair, and it has like really nice white stone, but this stone just came off, and which is here. So I'm just not gonna wear this. I'm just gonna keep it aside and I'll fix it. But right now I'm just not gonna wear it. Alright, so that was the broken pair of earrings. Now let's just move on to the last pair of earrings, which looks really pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty, so damn pretty. So this is how it looks like. It has some jhumka look, and it has some pearls, so it looks really pretty. So this is how they're looking on me. Really pretty earrings. All right, so that was all in the green box. In total I got 5 pair of earrings and one was broken. And now I'm just gonna move to the blue box. So yeah, super excited about this one as well. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what jewelry I got in the blue box this time. So this is how the blue box looks like. Just open it, and these are the earrings. All right, they look super duper pretty. Oh my god, really pretty collection it has. First earring I saw is this one. It has some like peachy skin colored stones with some antique gold material. So this is how they're looking on me. Really nice earrings. And then I see this really unique earring. They're more of a toppish, and you can see they are so unique and so different in style. It has some frosy colored stones going on. Super duper pretty. All right, let's just move on to more of the jewelry pieces. All right, so I see a ring here. Oh, this is a super pretty ring. I'm not a ring person, but this one looks really pretty. This is it has like an antique gold material with some really pretty stone inside, and this is how the ring looks like. Look how pretty the ring is. It's huge and it's shiny, and it will look really good if I wear this in some wedding or stuff because it's so super duper shiny. That's really pretty ring. And then I see some heavy earrings, and these are more of a jhumka earrings. And oh my god, they are so pretty. It has a blue stone with some pearls, and look how pretty these earrings are. These are like a statement earrings, so pretty. I'm just gonna wear it and see how they look on me. I'm super duper excited about these jhumkas. So this is how the jhumkas are looking on me. super pretty. They are a little heavy in weight as well, but they look so beautiful. Alright, I think I'm just left with last a pair of jewelry, and oh, it's a set. It's a whole set with neck piece, earrings. Oh, it's a choker necklace and it's beautiful. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite piece out of all. This is how the earrings looks like. It's silver stones with some white pearls, and this is how the choker necklace looks like. Really pretty. Yes, I think this is best thing out of both of the boxes. Oh my god, this is so pretty. The choker, the earrings. Oh my god, this will look really pretty with some sari or stuff. Oh god, I am in just love with this set. So yeah, that was it for blue box. And normally I love green boxes better than the blue boxes every time, but this time blue box was like amazing. So this time I loved blue box better than the green box. Especially I loved the set, I loved Jhumka, I also loved the ring. So I'm very happy with my blue box. For the green box, I think it was kind of okay. It was not very good. It was kind of okay, but loved the blue box this time. Yeah, so that's it for the video. And if you are interested to buy any of these boxes, all the details will be in the description box. Go subscribe it for yourself and enjoy. Yes, that's it for the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye.